So I'm always talking about using the right tool for the right job. And yesterday I wanted to do some outreach on LinkedIn and just outreach in general. Now, usually you would use a CRM for that. I don't want to use a CRM. I think that, for me anyway, they're too bloated. There are clients that do use them and that do need them, and I tell them to use Pipedrive. But for me, it's not something that I'm interested in using another tool just for that part. So my prospecting, basically, and keeping track of that stuff, I actually do it within Basecamp, and it works out really, really well. But yesterday I wanted to do a lot of outreach on LinkedIn, and I was keeping notes as a note, and I thought there's got to be a better way of doing this. Obviously thinking about CRMs and so on, but I didn't want to go down that route. However,